Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team, and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fortnite error code 30001. The error reads, "Couldn't start the game. We had a problem starting your game. Please help us by reporting this issue." As per our research, the error comes when players try to open the game. To deal with the issue, first we suggest is to shut down your device and restart it back after a few minutes. At last, check if the error still occurs. If restarting the device doesn't fix the issue, then check all the background apps under the Task Manager. If there are too many background apps running, then consider disabling some of them, and then check for the error again. It was suggested by a user on Reddit who was having the same issue, but this helped him fix the issue, so give it a try and see if this helps you too. If the error still persists, then we suggest you to verify the game files. If the issue is caused by any missing or corrupt files, then this may resolve the issue. If verifying the game files is also unable to resolve the issue, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the EAC. So thank you so much. This is all we had for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.